This video will show you a step-by-step on how to install the TiltR sensor. These are the required items for installing this sensor: 4 screws and plugs, a hammer, drill and screwdriver, the sensor, any spirit level, an Allen wrench, an anchor setting tool, and of course, safety goggles. The first step is to identify a spot for our sensor. After you've identified a clear spot, use the sensor and a spirit level to mark 4 spots for your plugs and screws. Now we can drill the spots and insert our plugs. Next, we place the TiltR and place the screws. We advise you to make photos after installation showing surroundings and the serial number. You can now log in and collect data with the TiltR sensor. You have now successfully installed the TiltR sensor. Well done!